spent in a miserable way.
U.S. News: third winter storm expected to slam the California coast with rain. Daily Mail Online. A third storm has hit the California coast on Sunday after two major storms slammed the area with heavy downpours. The two earlier storm systems forced authorities to close part of the US 101, a vital route between Los Angeles and points north and west, due to flash flooding, debris flows and mudslide bay. Additionally, residents who lived along the Wisley fire-burned scar in Santa Barbara County were forced to evacuate for several hours on Saturday, reported. This third storm is much weaker and will be in the form of scattered showers, according to several local reports. Scroll down for video app. Ruoff surges down the Los Angeles River near the Los Feliz district of Los Angeles. The river, which normally flows at a trickle, fills bank to bank with fast-moving water. A third storm is expected to hit the California coast on Sunday after two major storms slammed the area with heavy downpours. There could be heavy rain that lasts in Tuesday, as much as 1 inch, according to. Meanwhile, some areas of Los Angeles and Ventura counties have winter storm warnings in effect until Wednesday morning AA. On Saturday, flood warnings were issued for huge swaths of Southern California, and forecasters said the system brought more than 4 inches of rain at lower elevations and several feet of snow in the mountains, where whiteout conditions closed roads. The two earlier storm systems forced authorities to close part of the US 101 due to flash flooding, debris flows and mudslides. This third storm is much weaker and will be in the form of scattered showers, according to several local reports.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,